Hi guys, in this video I will download Windows 10 and show you how. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, tell me in the comments and let me know if I should do other videos of downloading Windows and Linux on and showing you how it works. So let's get right into that video. So yeah guys, the first step for Windows installation of Windows 10 is that you need to go get the ISO to download it. So you will go on the Windows Microsoft page and download the ISO tool or even the updater tool of Windows 10. And now it will execute, and then you will press OK for the terms and services, and then after it will load again another page, and then you will need to select the language and the edition. So you will select English United States if you want, and Windows 10 edition. And then you will, instead of using USB, you will use a ISO folder, because USB is for people that want to download a fresh Windows installation on the computer when they have a new computer, or if they want to do a just after the installation is complete, you will need to take the Windows ISO that where you positioned it, it will be there. And then when you get the ISO, like me, I put it on my desktop. So yeah, it downloaded on my desktop. But yeah, you can, and then after you will put a folder to put the ISO in. Like me, I put it in my desktop, but you can also put it on the C drive, something like that. And then when that will be downloaded, but yeah, first you will need to create a folder, a new machine in VMware if you're using VMware. But if you're using your computer, you will need to put the USB drive in the computer and all this shit. But yeah, and with VMware you will select install ISO later, and you will select Windows 10 64-bit. Then in the where you want to locate the Windows, you will put a folder on your desktop or in the C drive like I told you, and then you will drag the ISO in the folder so it's easier to find when you will need to locate the ISO image. And then yeah, you will use store in a single file disk, so all the disks can be in one spot, so it's better when you want to copy it. And then when in the customize hard drive, you click on it, and then you use the memory and the processor you want, and also use in new CD DVD, you go and use the ISO image, and where you put it, like me, I put it in my folder, it recognized it, like now, like there. But yeah, if not, you browse and you go get it on the desktop. If you put it on the desktop, and then you do finish, and then you open the VM Windows 10. Now the process of the installation of Windows will begin. So yeah, when you're in the installation of Windows, you will see that it will load until you see the pop-up that says language, time and currency format, and also the key or input method. So yeah, time currency, you could put it to US if you live in the US, and the language I suggest the language that you use, like English United States, you live in the United States, English UK if you live in the UK, because yeah, the keyboard will not be the same. Yeah, there's two types of keyboards, so yeah, you need to be very careful for that. Your keys won't be at the same place if you use a US and Canadian keyboard than a European keyboard. So you need to select the right language. But now after that, you will click finish and install. And now the process of Windows 10 installation will begin. So now is the time that you will wait. But no, before waiting, you will need to go get a key. Like on Windows 10 KMS key on Google, and the first link will be a key for KMS virtual machine. And yeah, I don't know if it will work if you use your real computer, but it works if you use virtual machine. Then you will enter the key in the website for Windows 10 Professional, and then you will type it in. And then now the installation, you will customize your hard drive first. You will choose the CD. Yeah, custom installation, not the first one, but custom installation. You will choose the CD, finish install, and then it will install. So yeah, that is that. But now after it will say restarting your computer after the installation. So yeah, the computer will restart, and then it will load in, reboot, and then you will see getting ready device and all that. And all that, what the heck. And then after that, you will see another thing. Yeah, and then it will say after the reboot, it will load until there's a pop-up that says if you want to choose express settings, you will say that. If not, you will say customize if you really want, but express settings will be really good, no problemo. And then you will go on I own it after loading this page that says after just a moment. You will go on I own it or my works cool owns it. But if you want to connect with a Microsoft account, you will say I own it, and if you want to connect after, you will say my work or school owns it. And then you will type in I own it or my school owns it, my work or school. You will go and put your username that you want, and if you want a password, you will put it in, and then the computer will reboot again, and it will say hi, it will do some security check, everything like that, and then it will reboot into Windows 10, and then you will have Windows 10 installed, and you could, if you use VMware, you could now use your computer or the virtual machine, or if you download it in your real computer, you will only have Windows 10. But yeah, that is how, guys. But yeah, before and after the installation, you will need to do the update of Windows 10, because yeah, so the Windows 10 could be updated and there won't be any bugs, and it will be up to date. You do the update like I show in the video, and after that is that. So yeah, guys, the Windows 10 update, you get it from the start menu in the left corner of Windows, and then you click on the settings icon, and then in the settings you go on update and security, and then you go on Windows update, and then it will be checked for updates. You click on that, the update will be checked, and then it will start downloading. Then after, it will probably say restart your computer. So you restart the computer, and then all the updates of Windows will be good, and you'll be set to use the Windows like a real PC. Guys, thanks for watching, really appreciate. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys. See you next video, guys. Thank you very much. You guys are dope. Thank you guys. Peace. Peace, dudes.